So guys, we have some NFT giveaway happening on this Dopamine app. In case you've not get started with this app, this is a non-custodial wallet, just like every other DX wallets that you can use for your sending, receiving, and all of those DApp transactions. So they are currently giving out what's it called, NFT for free. I'll show you the process to claim these free NFTs, and as well as they are currently dropping their tokens, which is the donut token. So for those that are familiar with how these things works, for those that were able to get the trust wallet token, which is the TWT. So same thing is happening here on this Dopamine app and some other wallet as well. Some other wallet are currently dropping their token as well. The likes of AZ Coiner, Marina Protocol, Zenix, and all of those other potential updates. So for Dopamine app, once you click on the registration link, I'll be dropping the registration link in the pin post in the comment section, or check the description box. You click on the registration link, download the app, use the referral code to earn bonus. Then you have to claim the token. This is for token. You claim the token every day, and it's based on stake. The higher you claim, the more token you get. So this is how to claim the token. This is the interface of the app. So you click on this under finance, you click on this donut logo here at the top of the page. Then you have this. You say okay. You see how it's counting down. So this is how you can get token. For tomorrow, I'll get 50 or 40. Next I get 50, and next I get 60, up to 100. That's how it keeps going on and on in a week like that. That's how to claim the daily token. That's the primary thing you do on this Dopamine app to earn their tokens. So now to claim the free NFT, you need to go to their Twitter page and search for the NFT QR page. Then scan it using this Dopamine app, and you'll be able to get your NFTs on this app. These are some of the NFTs that I've claimed on this app. You see, I've currently claimed for, because I'm not even chance to start scanning. But let me just show you, and I will use the opportunity to also scan some NFTs as well. So this is how to scan. I'm going to open my Google and use the Google Lens. I've screenshot some NFT. So I'm going to show you how I got the NFT. So I'll just click on this scan, then I'll select photos. Then Google app automatically, Google Lens will automatically detect that. So this link we open on my Dopamine app automatically. It will have to open on my Dopamine app. Let me refresh. I think you see. So opening on my Dopamine app, the moment you click on it, I am using Google Lens. So the minute you click on it, it will open on this Dopamine app. Then I'll be, you see, getting NFT information. Then I'll be able to add the NFT. It will add up by itself. It might take up to 24 hours before you can be able to see it in under the NFT section on the wallet, as I showed earlier. So I want this should add information. Then I'll show you how to get the NFT on the Twitter, on their Twitter account. You're gonna screenshot it, then make use of your Google Lens, and you get it to your Dopamine wallet app. So since this is loading, I'll just go straight to the Twitter. So this is their Twitter official Twitter account. This is it, Dopamine Super App AG Big Data Compliance. You see. So I'm gonna scroll to their next one of this page here. Live NFT War with Linux. And guys, you can support this channel by sending me a super thanks. Please check the below this video. You'll see thanks beside share button. Please send super thanks to support this channel so that we keep going and to appreciate our amazing work, fantastic work we've been doing here. It will be much appreciated. And for those that have been sending the super thanks, I really do appreciate you guys. Thank you for showing up. Thank you for tuning in. Thank you for always watching my videos. Thank you for the support. Thank you for the likes. Thank you for the shares. Please, if you are here to support, join me. Join the super thanks family. Click on the thanks button close to the share button on below this video, and you can show your support by sending a super thanks. Thank you guys. So this is I'm just gonna scroll down to their trend. Okay, you have to check one of the trend. Okay, I think it's not this trend. Just take note of the trend you have to check. Okay, let me click on this. They added it to the trend list. Yeah, this is it. These are the NFT. All these screenshots, you see, scan the QR code for free NFTs. I've opened this. So if I open this now, so this is it. I'll just screenshot it, then go back to my Google Lens and use the scan button, then allow it to open on the Dopamine app. You wait for it to load on the app. It's just for the sake of the video, as I'm not waiting. So let me just show you this one more time. So you see how Google is detecting, Google Lens is detecting the link. Once I click on this link, it's opened on my NFT. So this is it. So you just let it load. The moment it's load, you'll be able to click on the add button, then leave it, and you'll get this NFT viewable in 24 hours. We don't know what it will come up, it will eventually turn up to be, but trust me guys, it will be worth something. So you don't want to fade anything in this current season of cryptocurrency. So make sure you are subscribed to my YouTube channel so that you don't miss out on subsequent updates on amazing potential updates, airdrop, testnet, claiming, potential coins to buy. All of these services are what we do on this channel. So stay tuned, make sure you are subscribed, claim this NFT, and as well as claim the daily donut token for this Dopamine app. Guys, don't forget the thanks. It will be much appreciated. Please do send the thanks. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. See you on the next one.